Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you the Steelbook import from Germany of Sherlock Holmes 1 and 2. This is the 2-film collection in Blu-ray. So let's take a look inside here. Here's the Steelbook. This is a really nice case, like a heavy-duty cardboard. The sticker is printed on the cardboard, so it's not removable, of course. Matte finish, and best of all, it's not gonna fall. So here's the Steelbook. Let's take a look on the back cover, front cover. So here we have two discs, of course. Sherlock Holmes number 1, Sherlock Holmes number 2, a German flyer showing all the previous releases. Here's the digital copy. So let's take a look at the artwork inside. So once again, this is number 2, and this is the very first movie. Both discs are region free. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.